you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. We reached at my last contribution to the Me Made May 2020, and this week is just a mush pot, like the last items that I have left of my handmade wardrobe. And this is the only top that I have in this week's selection that is a bought item. I bought it at H&M a few years back, and it is short sleeve sweater and with my Burdastyle skirt. I made this, it's going to be somewhere, and it's a little below the knee. It has these beautiful details on the side and also in the back. I believe it was from a collection from Burdastyle. I'll put the details in the screen so you guys can see. It's a very, very chic look. Do you remember last week? In last week's look, I'm going to put the picture right there. I said that when I had on a skirt, I said that I also made a dress. Well, this is a dress. Oh my goodness, this is a dress. This is a dress with, you know, the skirt with the half moon on it. Well, this is the dress version of it. This was in the beginning of my sewing journey. It is a Burdastyle pattern, and that was also the first time I did some color blocking. The reason being that I didn't have enough fabric. That is what happened here. So they are both knit, but this is definitely it's a little chic for work. I love this one so much. It is such a cute dress. A few weeks back I wore this dress, this Brit dress by Seamwork. I wore it in another fabric pattern. I'm going to put the picture right there. And this time I decided to show you the second version that I have. So this dress right here, this one is one of my favorite makes from this year, definitely. And I like this print. It's an abstract print, but it's brown and black, but it stays really beautiful. The length is comfortable enough for me. I just love the fit. It really hugs my body. It's just so timeless. That's what it is. The silhouette and the pattern, it's just so timeless. So I love it. I love wearing this dress. I wear it at least once every week or every 2 weeks, definitely, because it's a cute dress. How about this outfit? This is so retro. It was from the retro collection from Burdastyle. I made it, I think, January 2019. This was my choice. I really wanted to make it retro. When I saw this fabric, I was like, yeah, that's going to be the dress for show, for show. And fact is, I could dress it up or wear it with sneakers. It's fine. It's fine. That's the versatility of this dress. I remember I wore this to work once. Yeah. I was overdressed. We are at the end of Me Made May 2020, and this was my contribution over the last 4 weeks. I created videos to showcase all of my handmade clothes so far, and I mean these selections that I showed you are years in the making, but that's just to show you, like I mentioned in my previous video, it's just to show you that you can create your clothes, wear them with pride. Some of them you notice that are handmade, some of them you won't even detect the difference, because while you're sewing and making new clothes and learning new techniques, your sewing is developing, and so you will get to the point of being a professional hobbyist. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and have a great day. Bye.